Hey friends, welcome back. I am in Kashan here in Iran, and I'm on my way to the guest house or the hostel that I'm staying at, and today's video is a tour in where I'm staying. I think the house is very beautiful, the accommodation that I'm in, and I want to share that and show you what kind of a guest house you'll be staying at if you ever come to Kashan here in Iran. I'm almost there, but watch these alleys on the way to the hostel looks like. So I'm on my way now. You can see like there are two signs in the distance there, and yeah, it's beautiful actually. It reminds me a little bit of Mardin in Turkey, walking through those alleys. Just the kind of the design is a bit different. Look how old those doors are. So beautiful. And this is like the material of the wall. It's very interesting actually. I don't know. And just arriving now to the sign. There you go. That's where I'll be going. So I haven't actually checked out this one, but I'm staying here, so that's where we're going. And yeah, as I mentioned, like it's very beautiful, and I want to give that perspective about the accommodation that you might be ending up staying here in Iran in different places. I've stayed in a few so far, actually 3, and they're very beautiful, very worth the money as well. So this is the entrance now. You can see behind me it says bazaar and historical houses, but we're gonna go in now. So that's the entrance here. And it's just right at the left. Salam. So we'll enter here. I'm making a tour of the guest house that I'm staying at, Martin.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Tip top tube. Always.
It is tip top too. Right, so we enter from here. So I came like from this door. This is the reception area here. This is Martin.
Hi, how are you?
Super friendly. And we're gonna enter from here all the way in. And that's where we come at. Look how gorgeous this is. It's an open area like that here. And all these things that you're seeing with these numbers on those are all rooms. And also I entered from here. There's someone's room and all that. And there is the fountain. So this is the yard. We can sit over there. We can also sit over here and just chill. Very beautiful. Salam. So we go now into, so there's not much there. There's like the rooms, and there's also like a small kitchen. I could get some water or something if I wanted to. Before I go downstairs where the fountain is, we cross from here, and there's just like a small yard. This bicycle is just for the design. And there are more rooms all around here. And we're gonna go up this way. And once we make it to the top, there is some seatings that we can chill as well if you choose to do so. Over here was breakfast. I don't know, can I enter? Yeah, I can. Why not? Let's show this. So yeah, we had breakfast here, so you can see like there are seatings. This is tea. We get tomatoes, cucumber, bread, eggs, butter, jam, honey, and there's the kitchen. And they pretty much like make it for you in the morning. This is including the stay. You get to stay here with breakfast. And actually pretty much every place I've stayed at so far, in the last 3 places, now this is the 3rd, you get it with breakfast. So yeah, it's a good deal. And over here, just a kind of terrace, but they haven't done much with it, or probably because of the weather. And let's go over to the top there, because there's a beautiful view I want to share as well, of the dome of the mosque. It's very beautiful. And we're here onto the top, and look at this, so beautiful here. Look at those houses, like it's all clay. This is Kashan. Look at that, so beautiful. And over this side here, what do we get? Yeah, very nice. And one more look down below into the fountain, because I'm at the top now. So we can see, like over there, there's the seating. That's where I came from, and I walked here. And there's seating there, seating over here, chilling area there. And now we're gonna go downstairs where this fountain is. It's very nice. I love it. Off to give you where I'm staying. So I'm staying in a dormitory, not a private room or anything. And watch these stairs. I think because like nobody goes up here, they didn't really design it in a safer way. Those stairs. Look at this. Stairs with holes. So you need to be careful where you're stepping, right? Amazing. Right, we're gonna go downstairs now. I'm back where I am, and this way is downstairs. It's so cool. It's a house, and you can make it adventurous. Right, this is my room. We'll get to that in a second. And just to show you like the kind of the yard, there is the fountain here, and there are all these here. You can see the numbers. So these are all rooms, room, and room. It's supposed to be a very nice room. Very cool. And of course we got the fountain in the middle, and that's where I entered from, all the way around to the top. And yeah, over there is a toilet, and it is the typical Iranian toilet. It's a hole in the ground Iranian toilet, and pretty much everything you need. And over here we get to the shower. It's amazing, like the showers are always big and spacey, you know. I like it, very comfortable. And this is where I'm staying. Have a look at this. Right here. So that's the entrance. Well, the entrance to my room. Very dark, unplanned video clearly. Let's do it again. So that's the entrance to the room. And we go in, and this is a dormitory basically. We got one bed, two bed, and a third bed. And this is it. This is here my stuff, don't mind the mess. And that's pretty much it. Very warm as well with the heater. Super warm at night. I already slept one night here, so it is amazing to actually stay here. And that's the tour, really. There's not much to do, but I just wanted to cover this house because it is absolutely beautiful and definitely worth the rate and the price that I'm staying at for $5. It's definitely worth it, including breakfast. And I'm kind of getting like a private room, right? You know, there aren't travelers at the moment, so that's a bargain for me. With that being said, if you made it this far in the video, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you have not subscribed already, and give the video a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithms. And as always, see you on the next one.